Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a really quick get ready with me. Plus, I want to show you a daytime look and how I transform from day to night. So if you like this look, keep watching. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be a really quick get ready with me. I'm actually heading out to a baby shower today and a dinner with my friend. So we're gonna do a quick look that can last pretty much daytime, and I can transition into night, and I'll actually come back and show you guys what I do to make a daytime look into an evening look. But really it's just simple. If you ever want to recreate something like this, you want to think about what eyeshadows can work across different outfits. So most people might do like very neutral, very brown, very easy shades that can go with pretty much anything. So we're gonna do that, and I'm trying some new products, new foundation, new lipsticks, new blush, new concealer, new everything. So you may see that in an upcoming Target haul and Ulta haul, but for right now, let's get into it. So skincare is skinning, okay? I did a good face mask, I did a good exfoliant in the shower, so like we're good because my skin was looking real crusty and dusty about an hour ago. But we're gonna go in with the Milk Hydrogrip primer. Let me go ahead and get that out. Okay. Oh, we even got a brow pencil. I forgot we had a new brow pencil. Let me go grab that real fast. This eyebrow pencil, we are gonna do eyes first. This is the Jason Wu brow pencil. A lot of the products that you'll hear today are from the Jason Wu beauty line. This is something you can pick up in Target, but I got the shade Deep, and this is the packaging. So let's go ahead and get into these brows. Okay, y'all, so I couldn't find the NARS Soft Matte Concealer I was looking for, but this is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop in Walnut, which is basically skin tone, and I'm just gonna use this to go right above the brows. So for foundation, I did get the Kat Von D Good Apple. I'm hoping this is my shade. This is in shade 82, but I've heard great things about this, so I'm like, okay, I saw it in Ulta, like, let me grab it. I hate when packaging. It's so like, come on now, y'all. How am I supposed to get this open? This is what it looks like. And I think it's gonna be a shade match. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a small foundation brush, and I'm just gonna like, oh y'all, this is like a perfect match. Okay. Oh wow. This is nice. Yeah, look at that. Okay, so I'm just gonna take one little swipe. I'm just gonna go like that. And we're gonna just do the forehead. This is like an actual perfect match. That's so crazy. I mean, really good coverage. Wow, that looks so good. And it's very lightweight, so it's not, it doesn't feel cakey or heavy. Wow, that is phenomenal. Okay, that's the face, that's the foundation. So for concealers, I picked up two. These are from Target, the e.l.f. Flawless Brightening Concealer. I got it in Deep Warm 50W and Deep 53W. So I'm not sure. I'm gonna try honestly both of them just to kind of see how it shakes out. I hate this packaging. This packaging. Like, why am I going through all that? Okay, so how this works. Oh, it's like a pen. What in the world? So we're just gonna take a little bit. Interesting, it's like a paintbrush. I'm gonna take my sponge. Remember, you always want to wet They're sponges. Get a little damp, and then we're just gonna blend it out. I'm not mad at that. I kind of want to do a little more. I'm just gonna take one, and whatever's left is what I'm gonna use. Wow, that looks nice. I'm not used to that applicator, but like, I don't mind it. All right, so let me figure out what eye color I want to do. So obviously I'm wearing like a red caramel peplum top, which you'll see is super cute. And then I'm thinking about wearing my orange open toe booties. And then I have like this camel brown purse. So for eyes, because I want to do a bold lip and I want to do like a very warm, not dewy, but very warm sun-kissed look, I'm going to actually use a few different things. I'm not going to do a big eye color, like a major one, because my lips are going to be the focus. But, all right, so let's go in with the James Charles palette by Morphe. And we're going to take my all over shader brush, and I'm going to go in with like this nice like camel color, and we're going to use the base. And really, I mean, if you wanted to, you could just do one eye color and just be done. But I am probably gonna wear lashes. We're gonna do a little bit more. This is my blending brush, my smaller one. And we're gonna actually go in with another brown and put it right here. Ooh, that smells so good. All right, so daytime, we're gonna do a simple lash. I think I'm feeling this row right here. So this is what we're gonna go for, these. Look at that, oh, so pretty. Now we're getting my lashes done on the first try. Okay, I know I still have that lash mark. We're gonna clear that up. Let's go ahead and finish off the face. For blush, I got a new blush. This is the e.l.f. Cosmetics blush. This is in the shade Bahamas, which I'm really excited about because it's a pretty orange. And I was like, yes, okay. It's a yes for me. Packaging is killing me. This is what that shade looks like. And look at how beautiful this is. And I'm just gonna do a little bit of a, I'm just gonna put it right here. Oh my God, that is beautiful. I hope y'all can see that. It's just so, ooh, okay, I'm gonna do a little more on this side. This is everything. Oh my God, that's so pretty. All right, we're almost done. So I'm not gonna do any contour to my face. I just really want to keep it nice and warm. I did a little bronze on my nose and that's it. So for lips, we're gonna go in with a nude. I'm gonna actually use this new lip crayon, matte lipstick crayon. This is in the shade Truth, which is a nice, actually no, not this one. Oh, hold on. Okay, so instead of the Brownie, the Juvia's Place, I'm gonna go in with the Thread Beauty lipstick, and it's in the shade Lovely, which is a nice chocolate brown. But I'm gonna make this my lip liner and base. that's perfection. Part of me is like, go for an orange. A part of me is like, relax, go for a nude. So I have the Jason Wu, I have a couple colors. I have the Jason Wu in the shade Biscotti, and then I have the Jason Wu lipstick in clear. I feel like a clear, I don't know, nude. Okay, this is where I get torn. Okay, so this is what the color, I feel like do I have this already? Oh, I do think I have this. This is a clear. I definitely think I already bought this. This is in clear, which would be a perfect color for this look. Or I can go nude, which, you know, I've never turned out a nude. And this is in the shade Biscotti, so. This is like a, look at that color, nude. I think I'm gonna go nude. All right, so I'm gonna, oh yeah. Wow, that's so pretty. And then I'm gonna take the lipstick again and just outline. And to set my face, I picked up the Morphe mattifying setting mist, and this will be my mist for the, oh wait, I also have the Hydrogrip. Oh crap, okay. Don't want the grip, Hydrogrip one. I'm just gonna do this one. Okay, so let's go ahead and. Oh, that smells fresh. Ooh. All right, so stay tuned. I'm gonna come back later tonight when I get ready to go out for dinner and show you all how I'm gonna transform this look from a pretty fun spring daytime look to a nice, cute, vibey evening look. So I'm back from my daytime event. Went to a baby shower and it was so much fun. So I just wanna quickly show you how to make this daytime look into nighttime. So I already changed my outfit, so the outfit's already ready to go. So we're not gonna do too much. The main things that we're gonna change is our eyeshadow, our lip, and a little bit of the blush. This orangey color is a really pretty, to me, daytime color. So I wanna spice it up with a little bit of more of a warm, less peachy color. And yeah, so eyes. Let me grab, so using the same James Charles by Morphe Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. We're just gonna take one brush, just all over shaded brush, and I want it, because my shirt is like a deep burgundy, I'm actually gonna go back in with this chocolate brown and beef up. Actually, we are gonna redo my lashes. I probably shouldn't just snatch them off like that, but we are gonna do those. I'm going with this pretty red. It's Ray Bold. I know it looks crazy, but trust the process. More. And we're just gonna put it with this layer. Like that, because I'm gonna reapply the lashes and I want this red to really show up. All right, so tonight I wanna do a nice little winged liner. So I'm gonna go in with my felt tip. I'm gonna stop about halfway because the other half is where my magnetic glue for my lashes is gonna go. We're doing like a lot of red, okay? I'm not mad at it. Then we're gonna, okay, I like this. This is pretty. So, taking my blush brush, we're gonna go in with, I'm gonna go into Juvia's Place Blush Palette. I'm actually gonna take a little bit of this Neo, which is this brown, and this Abi, which is like a deep chocolate, and this is what I'm gonna make my color a little more warm. Oh, that is I'm not mad. I really wanted a warm thing. Okay, so lastly, lips. So we're gonna take the Brownie lip liner. We're gonna outline. Now, normally if I wasn't so strapped for time, I would like do a whole fresh face, but most times I'm not. And I wanna give y'all a really realistic look at like how I change my makeup in like 10 minutes. Now, I wanna see these colors. I don't think they're the exact same, so I want to use my NYX. This is a very red look, but I don't hate it. It's gonna dry down a little bit. While this dries down, I'm actually gonna spray my face with a new layer setting spray. This is the Revolution Pro Conceal and Define Infinite Setting Spray. Now I'm just putting this on because I'm curious. That's a nice blue red. Okay, I know I said I was done, but I'm actually gonna take a little bit of the blush color, Neo, and I'm gonna just put it on my eye and deepen it up so it's not so red. Okay. How do I feel? I feel like, did I do a little too much blush? I don't know. We're gonna take a little bit of this and we're just gonna tone down the blush a little bit. Just a little. All right, and then lastly, okay, I like this. So this is the final look for my evening look. So as you can see, I just changed 3 things: a little bit of the eyeshadow, the blush, and the lip color. I think this works out well. Just a varying shade of red all over here, and then to just pump up this top. So let me know what you guys think. If you like this look, let me know. And if you like more, you know, tips on how to transition your daytime to evening looks, let me know as well in the comments. As always, friends, it was good doing this video. Hope you liked it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, be well, do well, and be safe. Bye.